back to another video. We are working on this thing today, so stay tuned. I know I've been slacking for a while, been gone for a little bit, but the weather here doesn't help, so we're making this happen today. So hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, so we are doing a short shifter. We're putting a short shifter on this thing because this is long as hell. I've always had this like this, so, but I got a nice little gift here. Don't ask me the brand, I don't know, but we shall see how well it works. And so yeah, you start by taking this off. Take this off. Oh, there goes that. And you take this off here. You can use a flathead or whatever, but I've taken it off enough, so that comes out like that. And put that there. Then this shit, it has a couple cables back there, but I'm not too worried. Might want to take this. También no sale. Alright, so you got these 4 bolts here. They're 12s, and then underneath you have the 3 of them that are 10s. So we'll show you that. Never mind, they're not 12. I believe they're 10s. Sorry. It is what it is. Alright, so here we got the other 10s. Done fucked that up. And here we go. Déjamelo ahí. Ahí. There's that. This thing has seen better days. Now we gotta take it out from the bottom. Drop the other one in there. Mira, mamá huevazo. Aww. It's cold as shit. So the one down here is 12. All the other ones are 10s. Cool? Ahí va. So now we just took the old one out and we're gonna leave the spring there so we can put that short shifter in. So luckily with this one we got a plastic thing that comes with it, and so we don't have to mess with the old one, which will be this one. We'll have to take that one off if he didn't have that one. So here we go. So we had a little inconvenience. These are the factory ones that hold the shifter on there, and these are the ones that they sent. So the difference was big time. Oh, shit. So there's what they said. This is what comes in the factory. So the thread was way different. So we had to go and find some in AutoZone, but we are back and we got some Loctite. We are all Gucci. guys, that is all she wrote for this one. It's a nice short now, somewhat, I think. I don't know, I think they're shorter. I mean, yeah, they're definitely shorter than the other ones. So yeah, that's gonna be a wrap. And also, it's a short one, whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll try to bring you guys some more content really soon. So make sure you cop some merch in the description, and like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.